Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the CFA exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam format and topic weights. Next, develop a comprehensive study plan, aiming for at least 300 hours of dedicated study time. It's crucial to integrate official CFA curriculum materials and practice questions from the start to build a strong foundation. This initial phase sets the stage for effective preparation. Once your plan is set, dive into active learning. Prioritize understanding the core concepts rather than rote memorization, as the CFA exam tests application. Regularly complete practice questions and full-length mock exams to simulate test day conditions. After each practice session, meticulously review your incorrect answers. This process helps pinpoint areas needing more attention and reinforces your learning. To maximize retention, develop effective review strategies. Condense your study materials into brief summary notes, which are excellent for quick refreshers. Flashcards are invaluable for memorizing essential formulas, definitions, and concepts. As the exam approaches, dedicate significant time to comprehensive review sessions. This systematic approach ensures you retain critical information and feel confident on exam day. In the final weeks, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get adequate rest and manage any stress effectively to perform your best. Trust in the extensive preparation you've completed and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to success. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other valuable deals. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.